Hi friends, it's Miss Hanlon and I'm back and we are going to fill out our connection standards together about a story you read yesterday. Oh man, I just cannot remember the title of the story. So let's go back. Oh, that's right. It's the Mixed Up Nest. That was the title of our story. So we are going to put our title right here. What is the title of this story? The Mixed Up Nest. And who was the author? Oh no, I forgot to look. So let's go back again. The author is the person who writes the story. That's the writer. And it was Claire Repp. Claire Repp. Who is the illustrator of this story? Do you remember who the illustrator was? That's who draws the pictures in this story. Yes, it was Todd Gardner. And who are the characters in this story? Maybe you remember, but if you do not remember, you can always go back. Oh, that was Mama Duck. Mama Duck is a character. Let's see who else. Oh, Mama Alligator. Are you starting to remember now? Yeah, there's Mama Snake was one of our characters. And Baby Duck. Remember when Mama Duck found her baby? And the setting. The setting is where this story took place. Where does the story happen? Think about where a duck is. Do you usually see ducks at Targets or by a pond? That's right, this story took place by a pond. What happened in this story? Do you remember Mama Duck's nest? She had a lot of different eggs in her nest. Yes, and she was looking for her baby. Mama Duck was looking for her baby. Mama Duck waited for the eggs to hatch. Yes, she waited for the eggs to hatch so she could find her baby duck. And the narrator. The narrator is who is talking in the story. Who is talking in the story? Yes, Mama Duck, Mama Alligator, and then the author was as well. So both, the narrator was the author and the characters. Awesome job, everyone. Awesome remembering this story. That was a hard one. I couldn't even remember a lot of the things. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.